Are you frustrated with job sites that promise a lot but deliver little, or worse, waste your time with fake listings? Then you've probably come across Snagajob.com, one of the most talked about platforms in the US for finding hourly, part-time, full-time, and seasonal work across sectors like retail, hospitality, food service, healthcare, and more. But is Snagajob really a trustworthy platform or just another site filled with empty promises? In this video, I give you a complete breakdown of what this platform truly offers based on real user experiences, platform features, and potential red flags. With over 10 years in the job matching business, Snagajob boasts millions of users and a mobile-friendly interface available on both Android and iOS, making it easy for job seekers to apply on the go. The platform's active presence on social media is a plus, as it keeps users updated with job leads and industry tips. It also offers basic customer support options, but not always as responsive or helpful as many users would prefer. While some users have found legitimate work through Snagajob, others have complained about misleading listings, scam posts that redirect to third-party websites, and even listings for jobs that don't exist. There are also technical problems reported, such as frequent app crashes, incomplete job descriptions, and poor filtering that shows irrelevant results. And while applying for a job can be as simple as one click, the results often depend more on the employer than the platform itself. There's no doubt that Snagajob can be useful, especially for those urgently looking for quick, flexible work, but it's not without its issues. This review covers both the strengths and the serious concerns, giving you a realistic view so you can decide for yourself if Snagajob is a legitimate opportunity or just another job board that may not live up to the hype.